it comes to pot stocks, it looks like profits could be tougher to come by than investors may have realized. So joining us now to explain is BNN Bloomberg's Andrew Bell. Good morning to you.
Good morning.
So two big licensed producers, Aphria and Organigram, reporting quarterly losses this morning. But that's in spite of exponential revenue gains. So what's going on?
That's right. Their revenue in the quarter was up 6-7-fold, as you'd expect, because of course legalization kicked in October. But in both cases, big losses, it looks like, as they gear up here, and it is a nascent industry. Actually earning profits is going to be tougher than people had expected. For example, with Aphria, they had a net loss of $108 million. Now, about half of that was a write-down on some assets in places like Colombia that have been controversial. Some investors have claimed they were overvalued, but there still was a big loss there. And then Organigram, who are based in New Brunswick, they too had a loss from continuing operations, almost $2 million. And then finally, a final loss north of $6 million. So red ink flowing. It's not a bonanza, I'm sorry. I've mispronounced.
Hey, it's early Monday. It's
no, I've mispronounced that word as a joke so often. Now I say it. Anyway, so, I mean, Organigram, people are valuing that company at about $1.4 billion.
Wow, okay.
So people have got high hopes. And now they're seeing losses from the industry, not just from these two. It's been a pattern so far with the cannabis producers.
So is this going to scare off investors? What do you think?
It may give some pause. It's going to be a slower burn, if you'll forgive the pun, actually developing profits here. Because one thing with Aphria, they say, actually, our cannabis revenue was down in this quarter from the previous quarter, not a year over year. And they said that's partly because of production delays. So that may worry investors as well.
All right, well, thanks for the update this morning.
Thanks a million, Priya.
And you can keep watching this story on BNN Bloomberg throughout the day.